Hi, it's Oscar from CCGrass.
This is Tommy, also from CCGrass.
Today we're going to have a quiz competition.
Let's go.
You ready?
Yes.
Are you a factory or trading company?
We are a factory. We are the biggest artificial grass manufacturer in the world.
Where is your factory?
Three factories, two in China, one in Huai'an.
How many years have your company produced artificial grass?
18 years since 2002.
How many workers in your factory?
Totally 6,000 workers in three factories.
What's the delivery time?
2 to 3 weeks. If urgent, we can arrange it case by case.
Do you have e-catalog?
Yes, we do. You could send by email.
What's your MOQ?
For container.
Can I get some samples?
Yes, please leave your contact message and address. We will arrange to deliver as soon as possible.
What's your sales volume each year?
Last year we sold 45 million square meters to over 120 countries.
What's the warranty of your product?
Normally it's 5 to 10 years. It depends the different types of the grass.
Okay, tell me when.
Hooray!